This is a video at the Wendell residence. It's a Train XL80 furnace, and the name tag is there. It's 120,000 BTU, and it has a 3.5 ton coil on top, it looks like. It's 97 model, so it's about 20 years old. Has a 4-inch flue that goes into double wall that goes over, ties in with the water heater, and goes into a chimney. So we would need a liner or do a 96% efficient furnace. Has a space guard 4-inch filter on it that is 20 by 25. Got a nice drop duct with sweep L's, good looking duct work. There's the supply plenum. The refrigerant lines are 3/8, 3/4, and got a condensate drain that drops down and goes around to a floor drain. Got a gas line coming in with this handle cock on it, which is good. 3/4 inch reducing to 1/2 inch into the gas valve. There's good access to the basement, around and out, and good wide stairway. The refrigerant lines go up and by the joist all the way, it appears, to the opposite end. Well, no, it curves and goes out to the back. So that's about it. It's a poured basement wall, but it does have bandboard where we could possibly vent out a high efficient furnace. That's about it here in the basement.